Why blow? I was gonna put in the comments, cause Haywood.
Speaking of that, how's Raul doing?
Moved on bigger, better things, you know what I'm talking about. Thumbnail.
Got it. For some reason I was thinking it would look like a megaphone, hence the name.
Cool, there's packaging on it.
Oh, that's nice.
It's a megaphone, see?
Wow, that's a lot of stuff taken off. Right now we're in the process of installing a full exhaust system on the GT3RS. It's Christmas!
This is nice.
It is nice.
Nice. Literally a full exhaust. Like there is nothing more that you can say. Oh.
That's where the money's at. That is definitely where the money's at. So this is a Dundon Motorsport.
No, God!
Dundon.
This is a Thunder Mifflin.
So this is a Dundon Motorsports full headers back exhaust installation.
Okay, it all makes sense to me. Wow. You know what that looks like? Kobe. Gasket. Can you grab it?
Guys, look, see, he moves so fast.
GT3RS exhaust. Who knows that? Robots in Germany? You signed them all right? Haywood, is he gonna be here like all the time? Is he?
As of right now.
Michael! Sonzo! Yeah, they give you the bracket. That's right? That's right.
Dustin, if you're going to the bathroom, do you need any of these?
I'm going to toe.
That was crazy. So the cool thing with this exhaust is that it's not stainless steel, nor is it titanium. It is another material called Inconel. It allows it to be thin, yet light, and still have really high heat resistant properties. So this is what a lot of race cars use on the track. They need something that's very durable. So since we got the exhaust done on the GT3RS, we're now gonna go for a quick test drive just to make sure that everything is working A-OK. Keep liking.
Oh shit, we set off the EVS go. Damn, that exhaust is so loud. Crazy, man. Oh my god, you can hear that anywhere, I bet. Just the downshift. Alright. Oh, Bellaire Blvd will hear us. Love the car. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Oh my god. That sounds insane. Very emotional drive. You feel it in you. Like the sound, the noise.
This is the best sounding exhaust you've ever heard?
Yes, it is. Definitely the loudest too. Oh man, just that first gear downshift. Fire.
Oh my god! It's a GT3 race car, bro!
Okay, that's a good test drive. We had passed that Burger King for sure.
Yeah, I can hear
5
you.
lights away.
Yeah, we were pretty far at that point. First gear downshift is insane. Just downshifting to first gear.
We'll need to try again later.
That's way more emotional than the McLaren 720. This is more engaging.
Yeah,
100% more engaging.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I have a video here that I think you might like, so check it out. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I will see you guys next time.
Hey, there's a cop.
To the right of him.
Dude, I don't know if he came out when you were in your car.
Ah.